seized seat post versus music. For this you need a strong piece of metal, and I used a 90 by 90 by 60 mm wood joint. I was able to wrap it around the seat post by pre-cutting it slightly with an angle grinder and use a pipe wrench for it to close. For added security I used an extra seat post clamp because it is essential your newly created metal tube is totally straight to the seat post itself. The part that now sticks out is where you could attach a music speaker. Can music and more specific sound waves help you with one of the most annoying bicycle problems, the stuck seat post issue? Desperate people have tried pulling the seat post with their car and even big construction site cranes, or building expensive pulleys and trying to twist it with an industrial pipe wrench. Strong solvents and heating and freezing methods have been used, and ultimately sawing off the seat post might in some cases work, but why not use love and sing to it? Music is well known for helping with tough jobs. Because you need an insanely loud music volume to get it loose, I used a hammer instead. Gently tap on it and within seconds it is moving. This happens because the metal on metal causes micro vibrations deep down the tube, releasing it on a microscopic level for microseconds, and the upward force of the hammer pushes it just enough to jump up before it gets stuck again. With this method the seat post goes up little by little but still won't budge if you try to twist the saddle. As you can see, the initial twisting of the saddle made the problem in the first place by causing these circular groove marks, but the metal sound is enough to loosen it just for a fraction of a second. Thanks for watching, and please share and subscribe for more incredible bicycle tips.